Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Hard work alone does not produce wealth, aligned work does. Many people work hard, stay busy, remain broke because their life is out of alignment. Today I unveil a brand new concept. Fire the Wealth Alignment Blueprint. This is the internal mapping system that synchronizes purpose, skills, income, lifestyle. When alignment exists, growth explodes. Medium White Star Section 1. What is wealth alignment? Wealth alignment means your efforts point in one powerful direction. No energy leakage. No conflicting goals. No scattered income projects. Your life becomes a single wealth engine. Medium White Star Section 2. The 4 wealth alignment pillars. Pillar 1. Purpose, direction. Find the problem you exist to solve. Wealth flows toward those who solve painful problems, stand for clear missions. Confused purpose kills profit. Hammer and wrench. Pillar 2. Skill dominance. 1 skill mastered beats 10 skills half built. Dominant skills create authority, speed, results, pricing power. Gemstone. Pillar 3. Income design. Design your income path instead of guessing. Packages. Coaching, consulting, courses, content, products. Income must operate as a system, not hustle. Classical building. Pillar 4. Lifestyle stability. Your personal life must support your business life. Sleep, relationships, health, energy. Burnout destroys alignment. Medium White Star Section 3. Signs your life is misaligned. Crossmark. Working hard, but income stagnant. Crossmark. Many ideas, no execution. Finish. Crossmark. Scattered income streams. Crossmark. Exhaustion without breakthroughs. Medium White Star Section 4. How to build your blueprint. Keycap. 1. Define your core problem market. Keycap. 2. Choose 1 wealth skill to dominate. Keycap. 3. Package that skill into 1 income engine. Keycap. 4. Build routines. Protecting energy. Alignment creates predictable wealth momentum. Medium White Star Section 5. Results of full alignment. White heavy checkmark. Focus becomes sharp. White heavy checkmark. Income system stabilize. White heavy checkmark. Motivation increases naturally. White heavy checkmark. Lifestyle supports growth. White heavy checkmark. Wealth grows consistently. Bullseye. Conclusion. Wealth is not built by effort explosion. It's built by life alignment.